In today's video, we're going to switch it up a little bit. Instead of working on trucks, we're going to be working on my Sportster back here. I have already done quite a bit of work to the bike, and I've filmed most of that stuff kind of roughly on time lapses and little projects here and there. But today, we're going to jump into doing some paint. I got a new tank in the mail from Lowbrow Customs. We went with the 1.9 gallon peanut tank. We are going to be pulling the whole bike apart. I'm going to be painting the new tank and the rear fender. The factory paint on this bike is black with red pinstripes, as you can see. And this tank is just a little bit too big for my liking and bulky, sits really high above the frame. By the end of this video, this bike is gonna look entirely different. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some sanding. So we're gonna start out with some 220 grit sandpaper, get this thing as smooth as possible. And then I have some 800 grit finishing sandpaper that we'll go over it with, get it primered and get it ready for paint. Well, I just got home from work and I was kind of thinking about this all day. I spent a decent amount of time last night sanding the tank and getting it ready for a primer. Drilled my holes in the mounting tabs. This tank specifically comes with two different valves, so you can basically mount your fuel on either side of the bike. And I realistically don't want to be looking down at two outlets off of the tank. I'm going to be running the petcock off of the left side of the bike. So I think I've finally convinced myself that I'm going to spend a little bit of extra work to cut the right side off and then weld it all closed. I think I can do a pretty good job of sealing the tank back up. But anyways, chop this right side off, weld it closed. We'll get it all cleaned up again, and then we can spray some primer. This hole filled, I'm going to take an old bolt that fits just about perfectly in this hole. I'm going to thread it down in there about a 1/4 inch and then cut the bolt off, weld everything in, and then we'll clean it up. 3 days later, the tank and the fender are painted. They're sitting back here behind me. Everything is dry. It's definitely not perfect, but for my first tank, I am pretty excited about it. Kind of went a little hard wet sanding in the front here. You can see some of the white base coat came through. I still might go ahead and take like a buffing wheel to the whole thing just to kind of clear up a couple imperfections. Realistically, I'll probably be the only one that really notices this stuff unless you're up close looking for mistakes, which there are some. Some of the tape didn't come off as good as I would like, but overall, from a distance, this thing looks freaking amazing.